Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Quotex. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and by default you will be in this overview section. So you need to click on Spot, and in this spot you are going to see the option of deposit, withdraw and transfer. So you will have to click on withdraw. Afterwards, you will be landed on the next page where you will be shown all of the cryptos that you have. So you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. Once you select it, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where you will be given two withdrawal options. The first is of crypto network and the second one is of sending the crypto to other Binance user. But as you want to transfer your crypto from Binance to Quotex, you will have to select this first option. After selecting it, you will have to select the network. So you will have to select BEP20 network. After selecting the network, you will have to launch your Quotex mobile application, and there you will have to select the same crypto. Then you just have to select the address from there and you need to paste the address in this section. After that, in the network you need to make sure that both of the networks are same. For example, if you have selected BEP20, then you will have to select BEP20 over here and as well as in your Quotex mobile application as well. So after filling these details, you will have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, it will ask you that you are sending this much amount from your spot wallet or from your funding wallet. So in whichever wallet you have your crypto, you will have to select that wallet and then you need to press confirm. Once done, you will be landed on the final confirmation page where you will be shown that your order is now confirmed. Now you just have to wait for some time until you receive your token in your Quotex wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.